Going to learn how to know when the market will go up or down. Okay, so for this tutorial I'll be using, the market is closed right now, we'll be using AUD CAD, which is Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Okay, so let me go and see the chart. So when you're in your chart, what you want to do is that since we are not using fundamental analysis, we are going to be adding indicators onto the screen. So you click on the F button, it's gonna bring you to the indicators window. You click on main window, then it says for parabolic SAR, and you click on it. Make sure that the step is 0.02, maximum is 0.2, time frame, all time frames, color, choose the color and style you want. I'm gonna leave it to the default and click on done. As you can see, it's ready. And you click on the F again. I'm going to be using two indicators. So the first one is the parabolic chart, the second one is the moving average. Okay, the moving average, the period is supposed to be 60, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Then you choose the color and the style you want. Then when you're done, you click on done. Okay, so the method I'm going to teach you is the scalping method. With the scalping method, we just, it's like you're a sniper, you're pretending to be a sniper. Fast profits, you are getting fast profits. So here's how it works. So basically, if you just look at it, you understand. Let me use there are so many examples you can look at here. For example, this, as you can see, if the moving average, which is the blue one, goes below the parabolic SAR, which is the black dot, this black dot. The black dot is the parabolic SAR. So if the moving average is below it, there's going to be an uptrend. If it is above it, it's going to be a downtrend. For this one is consolidating. So there's no uptrend, there's no downtrend, I'm just consolidating. But look at this. For this one, you can see that the moving average is above the parabolic SAR, which means it's a downtrend. Okay, so let me look for another example. As you can see, parabolic SAR is below the moving average, downtrend. Above it, uptrend. Above, uptrend. Below, downtrend. So basically, when the parabolic SAR is above the moving average, it's going to be an uptrend, and when the moving average is below the parabolic SAR, it's a downtrend. So that's what I was searching for. Like this could have been a beautiful downtrend. As you can see, if we enter our trade somewhere here, we would have taken profit somewhere around here. Yes, okay. As you can see, uptrend and downtrend. As you can see, the moving average is below the parabolic SAR, which has caused a great uptrend. So this method works for 1 minute time frame. The scalping technique is only for the 1 minute time frame, nothing more, nothing less. So guys, make sure you subscribe and like, leave comments and do everything necessary. I'm trying to get to 10 subscribers. Peace.